Hey, my people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So my name is Anthony, your presenter for First State Immigrant Solution. So Mona, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now free, not be money that they collect for subscription. So Mona subscribe, Mona still click on the bell we see there down for this video, so that anytime where I drop video, you go to give you an alert for the phone. So what here I want to talk today now. The electronic health record where I first discussed for my previous online talk show where I do every Saturday, but it not be everybody where did this my YouTube channel, not be still there that my Facebook. So now make me say make I constantly shook my mouth put again. I can explain our word to us. Waiting with this electronic health record now it allow they call fascicolo sanitario elettronico, which is electronico fascicolo sanitario. That fascicolo sanitario elettronico now they call FSE. So what did that one mean? May I knock out to our understanding you say now when we carry our health record the waka for internet, so that anytime we want consult any paper what we don't do before, like wey dey related to our health issue, like say we go see doctor or doctor prescribe medicine for us, or we do any exam, or we still do anything where we will reduce our paperwork. We will not carry paperwork anytime when you want to go meet doctor, you will carry paperwork. So if you get this electronic health record, any exam wey you do, you fit pay online, everything go not dey inside the internet. Even though say you travel, maybe one of the advantage, you travel go any European country now. So if any doctor want attend to you, if you ask you wetin be the vaccine wey you don do before, because of say you know they fit dey cram everything put for your head, you just quickly run go this electronic health records wey dey internet. So then the way they take do am be say password dey, security dey, say na only you and the person wey know your password, which is plus your doctor, na go fit get access to this thing. So but if you no open am, you no fit dey get access. Na only doctor go fit dey get access to this electronic health record. E dey very important, and you fit do this electronic health record na free. All you need to do now to get credentials. The credentials wey you need to get na speed or federal, or if you get any other credentials wey you fit use to enter this fascicolo sanitario. This health credentials, so you fit get them from any commune, or you fit fill am online. Like speed, if you fill am online, or federal, if you go any of your commune of your residence, if you go ask them, they'll give you any of these credentials where you fit take enter. And this fascicolo sanitario, it don't dey everywhere for Italy. So with this one, and I give you opportunity for you to even take care of any of the health records concerning your pikin, your wife, your papa, or your mama, and not more than 5 people. If you be pikin dey wey you know say e dey underage, you fit still use this your own health record, so take monitor am and e go dey inside your system, so that anything wey dey go on, you fit enter your health record, give all this information directly without you no need to consult anybody or the pack paper up and down. Everything already dey there. They don't do am for us, make it they make life easy for us, and make they take reduce the time wey we go take dey carry paper. All this paperwork, it don tire for us to carry am up and down. Everything go just dey online. So to do am na free, as I first talk before. So wetin you do be say you just go the website. If you dey my region wey be Emilia Romagna, you just type am say fascicolo sanitario.it. Then you go take you to the web page, which the page where you first open, just click on any credentials wey you get for that center page for there, whether na speed you wan use or federal. Then you just fill the page, enter your physical code, wey they call codice fiscale, enter your name and all those, your email and the rest of that data. From there, you don't register with that. They'll send you a confirmation mail to your email box from that confirmation mail, you print the confirmation mail come out, then you carry and go any A or OSL wey dey the city wey e dey. OSL na agent wey dey in charge of sanitarian wey dey the city wey you dey. Carry am go there or fix appointment if you wan see call. If you don call them, you are good to go. From there, dem go activate am for you. Then you go fit dey get all this information so online. And if you know say you dey this region, you fit still call this number wey I wan talk so. It's 800 033 033. That one na number wey you fit still call. Then you select Fascicolo Sanitarium. From there, you fit fix an appointment direct to any OSL wey you dey for this Emilia Romagna. And this is why I talk so you fit do am and e dey free, e dey cheap. You fit pay for doctor online. You fit shift appointment online. You fit cancel appointment online. Even this corona period wey we still dey so, instead of when you go dey stay for queue or when you go hospital wey you just need to call doctor, tell doctor say I need this medicine because of say the price go too high if you have to buy direct, or they no go sell for you because of say they need doctor prescription. You need to just call your doctor. Doctor go drop those information for internet for your fascicolo or for your record, for your health record from online. From there, you just go there, click and print am out. When you don't print am out, you go any pharmacy, they will give you all this medicine wey I talk so. That make me consider my friend drop this video so that our people go still understand say this kind thing dey exist. If you know say you don't do your own, fine. If you know say you never do your own, e dey cheap. And the number wey you fit still call me, if you still need help na 351-012-3025. I will still help you on how you fit fill am, so that when you don't fill am finish, you go activate your own. You are good to go. Na be that. So more not forget, more subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime when I come up again, still drop another video, you will be the first person where they go notify. And the subscription are free. Bye bye.